Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is a fun one. So it is actually my mother-in-law's birthday, and me and my husband thought that it would be a really good idea to try to spruce up her side of the yard. If you guys don't know, she lives with us in an in-law suite and she helps us out so much with the kids. So we decided to put our part of the backyard on pause while we try to give her a little bit of something that she can come out and enjoy. So we ended up getting this gazebo from Shelter Logic, and we thought that we would just try to hurry up and put it all together and kind of clean up the space while she was at work. You guys know that we are on a jasmine kick. We are about to have it all over our house, and come spring, our property is going to smell so heavenly. So, of course, my mother-in-law has to have some as well. This gazebo was honestly so easy for Chris to put together. I've seen him put together so many gazebos, but honestly, this one was the easiest and fastest. So that came in really handy as we were trying to surprise her. We needed to have this done before she got home from work because we really wanted to surprise her. Willow wanted to get in on the action as well. So we were also going to spruce up my mother-in-law's door. She painted it a long time ago, but never painted the top part of it. We also were going to go around and paint a bunch of pots that she has around in her little backyard area because they were all mismatched. She loves black, so I personally would love to add in some warmer tones, but you know what? It's not my space, so I'm trying to step back. So we decided just to paint some of the pots so that they all match, just so that it had like a very cohesive feel. Her backyard is not that big. It's just a little side yard that we have in the back of our backyard. And so when trying to find a gazebo, it was so hard because most gazebos are pretty big. So we ended up finding this one, and it is an 8x8, and it fits the space so perfect. And it still allows her to have other little areas in the backyard that's not fully shaded. Mind you, we decided to do this makeover on the hottest day of the year. It was 103 degrees outside, but you know what? We're just going to keep working through it because we need to get this done for her.
Turned into gold. Just wanna hear your voice telling me something I don't know. Minutes turn to hours, and that feels like it's ours.
Eventually, hopefully come this fall, we plan to repaint the trim. I'm thinking I want something a little bit like olive color. I'm just kind of over the black and white. I see it everywhere. Everybody's house is black and white. I just need something different. But in the meantime, I want to make sure that the space looks finished. What do you guys think? Are you guys over the black and white houses, or do we still love? Also, how cute is Willow? Such a little helper. She is cleaning the windows. We just love her. What is also pretty cool about this gazebo is it actually has mosquito nets. Now I personally don't get bitten by mosquitoes, so I wouldn't use it, but my mother-in-law gets eaten alive. So that is one thing that she was so excited for when she saw. am actually loving the richness of the black. I feel like it makes the green plants pop so much, and I love my mother-in-law's little garden signs. I just find that it just adds such a personal little touch. You guys, we are probably hour 4 into this, or maybe 3, but we are seeing the finish line. Okay, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we all know what time it is. Anybody else addicted to Alani's? I swear I cannot get enough. Okay, the pots are all painted. They are drying in the sun. We are about to put on the last 2 panels and then we are almost done. I am loving this space so much. I cannot wait to show you guys.
Always thought that you'd leave this town till you buried that dream beneath the frozen ground.
Now to add the finishing touches, this is the mosquito net that I was telling you guys about. What's really cool about it is we can just push it off to the side and you don't even see it. Okay, it's time to put everything in its space because I think she's going to be home in about an hour. So I just picture these pots having some sort of trailing flowering something, whether it's a trumpet vine, climbing roses, wisteria, I don't know. We will figure it out when we ask her, but we're trying to hurry up and finish the final finishing touches because she is almost coming.
Don't let it happen, no. Maybe you should do what makes you happy. No amount of status will make up for what you're lacking. There is not an answer to this question that you're asking, so maybe go dancing, maybe go dancing. Time to face your fears, but the last 5 years seem to disappear. Hands on the wheel but afraid to steer, as you waste away all that you hold dear. And this feels like someone else's life that you were living in. This feels like someone else's body you were trapped within. So maybe you should do what makes you happy. Forget all those lessons that you learned and just go dancing. Life is much too short for you to miss it as it's passing. So don't let it happen, don't let it happen, no. Maybe you should do what makes you happy. No amount of status will make up for what you're lacking. There is not an answer to this question that you're asking, so maybe go dancing, maybe go dancing.
Ready? Open your eyes. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, what's going on? Oh, look at my sign. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Wow. Oh, you painted one. How did you guys do all of that?
We worked really hard while you were at work.